In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delegate a signature in DocuSign. This is a really useful feature if you need someone else to sign documents on your behalf temporarily, perhaps when you're out of the office or otherwise unavailable. The great thing about DocuSign is that it makes this process quite straightforward, so let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to the DocuSign website. Once you're there, the first thing you'll want to do is locate the My Preferences option. It's typically found on the home page or through the profile settings. Accessing My Preferences is essential because that's where you'll manage most of your account settings, including delegation options. Once you've clicked on My Preferences, you're going to look for the Delegation section. Now, why is this important? Well, the Delegation section is specifically designed to handle tasks like allowing someone else to use your signature. This is where you make all the necessary adjustments to whom and for how long someone else can sign on your behalf. In the Delegation section, you're going to see an option to Add Delegate. Clicking on this will begin setting up the process of delegation. When you click Add Delegate, you'll be prompted to enter specific details. One of these important details is the start date. This is the date when you want the delegation to begin. It's crucial to make sure this accurately reflects the period you'll be absent or require someone else to sign documents. Following this, you'll be asked to add an end date. Just like the start date, the end date denotes when this person should stop having this authority. The time frame should cover the entire period you're away or unable to sign yourself. Being precise with these dates ensures there's no overlap or gaps when delegation could either start too soon or extend too long. Next, you will need to select who your delegate will be. Usually, this involves choosing from a list of existing DocuSign users within your organization, or you might need to input their details manually. Choosing a trusted person is key since they'll have signing authority under your name for that duration. Once you've selected your delegate, check all the entered information one last time. If everything looks good, the final step is to click on Add. This step finalizes the delegation setup, and the person you've designated will now be able to act as your signing proxy during the specified period. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully delegated your signature in DocuSign, allowing someone else to handle signing duties on your behalf efficiently and securely. Whether for personal convenience or business necessity, delegation is a powerful feature that can keep your workflow smooth and uninterrupted.